Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the transatlantic number Sf Rp124D Dzcp reinforcing plate. This is known as a 951P model, and I don't really know how the part number, what it all stands for. TA stands for transatlantic. SF means it's their storefront part of their catalog. The RP, reinforcing plate, the 124D could mean that these are 1224 holes. DZCP, the CP could mean chrome plated. This is a zinc plated or chrome plated piece of steel. Regardless of how the part number is created, what will allow us to understand what we're dealing with are the dimensional properties of the item. I have the item here. I have the tape measure and the drawing that's down below this video. Let's check everything. Overall length, they've got it at 7.953. I would say that would be accurate. Then the next two will work from the outside dimensions coming in. The mounting holes, 6.764. I would certainly say that would be accurate. It looks like about 6 13/16, 6 3/4. The next two holes, the mounting holes, 5.256. I'd say that would be accurate. It looks about 5 1/4. Then the four holes for the screws, that's just going to be a template pattern. 3.484. I'd say that'd be right, 3.5 inch. The other two holes, 1.232. 1.232. Yeah, about 1 1/4 inch. I'd say that all lines up. Then we have, and the drawing is indeed a bit difficult to understand what they're trying to tell us. Overall, 1 1/16. That other dimension point, well, 0.532, that would be half of 1.063, right? So that's just a center line, I imagine. The thickness, they have it at 0.140 inch. My caliper says it's spot on. 0.141. 0.141. Weight, about 0.31 pound. 0.31 pound. Then the balance of the technical description down below. And that extended description says the 951 is a reinforcing plate made of the highest quality materials, functions as a backing plate for butt hinge, increases sag resistance and rigidity, installation for wood, hollow metal, and/or aluminum, commercial door applications. They say that it's 3/16 thick. It's not. It's 0.141 as I measured it. Silver metallic. So what's the one thing that we don't know is the offset. You can see that you got a giddy up here is the bottom line. Okay. I should be able to tell you reasonably what that is, or get you close. We know the material thickness, 0.141, 0.14. I'd say that offset is about 40 thousandths, 0.040. Actually, it's probably a bit less. 0.035 would be that offset from here to here, reasonably 0.035. So be mindful of what is the thickness, the wall thickness of the material that you're putting it down to, what is the thickness of the hinge leaf, and how far back are you, and does this offset all conspire to give you a healthy installation? A plate like this is very typically going to be where you will slide it into an aluminum jamb, and you're going to use 4 screws to physically screw it to the jamb, and then your hinge plate will mount to here after you've created the hinge preparation. But you could certainly take this and weld it to a steel frame as well, except that offset's not going to be adequate. Back in the shop, if we've got a plate that's the wrong offset, we simply make it the right offset. Create it, bend it, rebend it, etc., modify it, step it off, weld it, whatever needs to be done. But the dimensional properties that we've gone over identify this item. Hopefully the 951P tells you what you need along with those dimensions. Now there is a link below this video to a document called Reinforcement Plates that will allow you to see all of them from this importer on a single page. So I'm looking for dimensional relationships is what I'm looking for. And most likely it's going to be the relationship of the mounting holes for the plate in the unit, because your hinge hole locations, those should be the same, right? Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the transatlantic products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the transatlantic, this is their part number Sf Rp124D Dzcp reinforcing plate, or any other transatlantic product. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.